All right, everybody, I'm going to go into how I did it, a payout, leaderboard, all of it on a small account size. This is a 25K account I'm going to show you on. I know many of you be like, Professor, 100K, it's too big. I can't do it, 150K. Okay, all right, I'll show you how I did it on a 25K account size prop firm. So leaderboard, per usual, let's go into it right here. So as you can see, number one, right here, breaking down the entire thing where I'm going to show you how I did it, right? But Tradeify is the best prop firm. Use that. So I only paid $75 for this account with the discount just hit sell. And as you can see, 14,000 in a week span of time. Do the return on that. I'm going to talk about how I did it. This video is literally to show you how $75 can turn into a lot of money with the right prop firm. So let's do it. As you can see, I'm on the leaderboard. Boom, Day Trade Professor, number one, 14.5K, 58% profit percentage, 91% win rate. I'm going to show you all this. We're going to go deeper. This is just public information. This is not something I can create, right? Ang was close to me, very close. We went to war today, and then from there, it's literally $3,000. Look at the difference. Look at the top three, and boom, 91%. We're going to go through all these stats, 16 trade winning streak, 1 losing streak, remaining 1 trade. That's it. You know, I just kept winning, 61 total trades, 13 minutes in it. And we're going to talk about all this. So before that, let me show you how it started right here. This is what I paid for. By the way, when you go to Tradeify, again, Funding Chicks is gone. But when you go to Tradeify, just use the code JustHitSell, same code as you can see here. Any account. You know, there's a video of me breaking it down. Just click below in the description. You'll be able to see it, right? And this is how much I paid. The ROI is just insanity. And the only way you could do this is prop firms. This is what if you can afford this, go for it.
I'm interrupting your lesson right now to let you know, if you don't know, you want to get consistent. Well, listen, I wrote 3 books. I got one of them on me right now. How to just hit sell consistently trading, how to be a consistent trader, and the Consistent Trader Journal Checklist. Everything you need, I've covered it already. Why are you wasting your time searching this, that, the third? You're already watching me right now. Might as well get the book. Click down in the description, get them, and go on your way of what? Consistency. See you in class. Let's go.
Go for it. So let's go into it. So as you can see, this is a student account, which is the eval account. That's what they call it, a student account. 25K account size, P&L 1.5K. That's all you needed to pass. You needed 1,500. Started October 24th. 3 days, basically. No, sorry, 4 days. 4 days. So boom, there's my equity curve. As you can see, these numbers can't be altered or changed. It's not editing software. In a lot of trading journals, you can edit it. This you can. It's just their information. So boom. Average win, 267. 75% win rate. Boom. This is an eval. So I just wanted to get it out of the way. $19 loss. So stupid. 41% profit factor, which means I know what I'm doing. I don't know. As you can see right here. Yeah, 3 days. 567. Boom. 1 trade. Made that. Lot size 2 means 2 contracts. Boom. That's the lot size. Max size for NQ on a 25K account or GC is 2. But you shouldn't do it. You should do MNQ or MGC. You can't do, again, you can't do more than 2 contracts. Then I made $486, 6 trades. Boom. I know it says 7. I didn't take 7 in one shot. You're only allowed 2. I'm just saying. 467, lot size 2, 1 trade. Number of days was 3. That's the minimum. Biggest win, 580. Biggest loss, $26. I always find that funny. Not bad. 8 total trades taken. 11 contracts total in the account. Not one shot. I just hope we're clear on that. There's the stats. Win, 1.6K. Win rate, 100%. Loss, 38. Boom on this. All the stats are here. Long analysis, profitability. Boom. Boom, boom. All right, let's look at more stats. 1 minute in the trade. You can see the time right there. 1 minute, 480. 3 minutes, 500. 2 minutes, 580. And boom, 10 minutes. You can see the numbers right there. 18. That trade could have gone bad. So stupid, but it's okay. Boom, 13 minutes, $15. Just for you guys to show you how I could do it. Lost 27 minutes for $26. MES was taken on this one. Boom. GC was what I really made the money on, gold. here. The most I made was trading old. Please trade MGC. Don't do what I do. MES right there. And GC right there. So MES and GC. Boom. And yeah, once you start that, let me show you the next part. So this is the funded account. They call it the master account. That's the word. Boom, right there. Master account, like I just said. Start date October 31st. Boom. 25K account. I made 14.5K. So you see, boom, the full breakdown. You got once you move over, you'll get an email, and then you have to fill out the paperwork, and then you get accepted. 14K, like I said.
Guys, I'm coming out right now. I know you were watching an episode or lesson, but I just want to let you know, free trading course, daytradeprofessor.com. You're broke, you got no money, you got nothing, but you just want to start it off? Day Trade Professor. Click down below, go in the description, and start the free course. It'll help you get along the way. See you in the next one. Let's go.
And then, yeah, boom. This is the score. It's called the funding tick score. Some prop firms have it, some don't have it. They are on that, everything. It's good. I use a physical stop loss, that's what you see. But equity curve, let's move it up. Going nice and steadily. And then, boom, made that nice return right there. As you can see, average win, 293. Boom, win rate, 92%. Average loss, 284. A little high, but, you know, it could be better. Profit factor right there. $805 right there. 7 trades. Boom. Very simple. Keeping it nice and chill. Let's go to the next month. 1.8K. 1.9. 508. Boom. You can see the lot size. Again, not 16 contracts in one size. That's impossible. That's impossible. So, you know, some people might get confused. 8 trades over there. 1.9K. 11 trades, a little over trading, I guess you could say, but small account size, right? 6 trades, 534, very simple. Right there, 883, 7 trades, boom. And then this big one right here, 22 trades, 8.4K. This was heavy duty trading right there. 2 contracts, in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. So, boom. So this was just to beat that Ang guy. That's just the truth of it, right? I'm not going to lie. Total lot size used. Biggest win, 920. Biggest loss, 655. Boom. Not major. Should be much lower, but it is what it is. Wins, 16.4K. 47 trades. Losses, 4. $1,400. So I made, you know, what you see right here. Maybe I know what I'm doing. Maybe I just know what I'm doing here when it comes to trading. Maybe. I don't know. 56 wins, 5 losses. You get the gist of it. You see 34 seconds, up to 1 hour over there. Look at the stats. That long stats, Asia session. It's just but it's whatever. Whatever it is. And as you can see, God, I missed these stats. Oh, funding ticks. The amount of duration I was in the trade, you can see as I'm clicking, you can pause it in the video whenever just to get an idea of it. 28 seconds, 1 minute, the whole 9 yards, 54 seconds. You see the breakdown right there. So 7 minutes, 880. It's just waiting like a spider, as I say in my book. I was just patiently waiting for the trade. So boom. 2 hours, $300. So yeah. What are you gonna do?
I'm interrupting your class right now to let you know, and I know you know, if you've used my free course, you use my books, I got 3 of them, and it's still not enough and you feel like you want more, well, guess what? I got a mentorship program happening in New York in my classroom, small amount of students in a lecture hall setting where I go through precision what you need to do what? Buy and sell strategically. And if you don't want to come to New York, I yearly have international trips. You can join those. Get a mentor, get everything figured out. I got a secret Instagram where I talk about deeper things that I don't talk publicly. I'll see you in my class. Let's go.
So as you can see, let's see what the red's looking like. Boom, 655, 2 hours to sit in that loss. That was brutal. But look at the overall trend, right? We hit losses. It happened. But look at the overall trend. 33 minutes, boom. 47 minutes, boom. Let's keep going. NQ was my biggest provider. GC, again, you should do MNQ, MGC, GC, NQ, volume analysis, the breakdown. As you can see, boom. So let's keep going. All right, so let's look at payouts, getting a payout here, right? So right here, as you can see, master account, which means funded, crypto. I like to get paid in crypto, my crypto wallet address. As you can see, pay in USD. Max I could take out is 14K. That's how much I've made, but I can't take that out. I'm going to show you. I'm going to just put it in there to give you an idea of how much I can take out after some time. I paid $75 to have this account. And here's my total profit. You know, you can't get that. 90% is mine, 10% is theirs. This is what's available. So here we go. Remaining balance. It starts fresh, the account, once you get paid out. It's just their rules. So keep that in mind. That's my share. I get 13K. They take 1,400. That's fine. You know, that's how much I get at the end of everything. After a few, weeks of trading, I'll get to take out all that. Let's check all these things. As you can see, request amount. Boom. And that's it. So let's go back. As you can see, at the end of the day, what you need to understand is all this was done with less than $100. All of this. Candles, levels, multiple time frames. I don't do anything fancy. I keep telling you this. I'm not doing anything out of the ordinary. Nothing special, nothing majestic. Analyzing candles on multiple time frames, making levels, and executing within those levels. Quick and easy. I show you on a small account. I've shown you on a big account. Comment down below if you have any questions, help. But again, use Tradeify. Use the code JustHitSell. Buy whichever account you think you can do and pass on. And the leaderboard, I promise you, if they have leaderboards, but don't worry about leaderboards. You just trade for you, nobody else. All right? I'll see you guys in class. May peace be upon you.